I know the lighting is not good at all, but I'm gonna be surprising a Kenyan YouTuber tomorrow, and she has absolutely no idea. So let me call her and see what she's up to. Hey.
Yes. Hiyo ndo kitu napendea huku by the way. Kuna manguo fashion na si uniform.
Wait.
Unapata moja moja.
So kuna zenye umeona but sana na you want to buy for me but ni the burden is carrying them.
Yeah, sasa ndo nilikuwa nasema the burden is kuzibeba. Lakini ni vitu poa, ni vitu unique, si vitu zenye utapata eti watu wamevaa.
Ama nizikujie za Zimbabwe. Should I come for my clothes? But you are about to leave. I'm not far. Like Zimbabwe is just a neighbor to South Africa, by the way, through Bulawayo.
Sijui. Hii place iko na manguo poa. I wish tungekuja hapa tu hivi in person. Uone tu hadi hizo madu. Yaani uko na vitu poa sana. Najua, jua ni kali huku icheki.
It was very hot.
Niko hot kabisa kabisa. Lakini huku nimeenjoy maisha.
This is my last morning, basically last moment in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get home. I have some big surprise for someone, and y'all better come. Y'all better come and experience it, because I know you're gonna love it.
And I'm aware it was gonna be surprised, but we ain't gonna tell you. Wait until
you see it. Right. And I'm also going to surprise you all, because I know no one would be expecting that I would be home at this point. But yeah, you know I keep my word. So let's go. Heading to passport control right now. Well, so last night I was talking to Dee, and she was like, yo, there's some nice stuff here. I bought you some stuff. The only problem is maybe it might be burdensome for me to travel around with it, because I'm not going to Kenya any soon yet. So yeah, she was telling me some great things in Harare, and I'm like, okay. She has no idea. She has absolutely no idea that I'm actually going to Harare. I can't wait to surprise her. Can't wait to see her reaction. Anyway, so we're in Cape Town right now, about to take off, like this artwork, amazing artwork, great. So let's get to Harare and see what she reacts. So I've planned this surprise. Nobody knows. There's some of us know about it. So I planned this surprise. She has no idea what awaits her. Let's see her reaction. Let me grab something to eat and get somewhere to sit in a restaurant. And Anna called Dee again and see if she's suspecting anything or not. What are you going to shoot about today?
What $10 challenge? $10 challenge. What it can get you in Harare.
Oh, what you can get for $10 in Harare. That's nice.
Wewe kona siku acha niamke nioge pia mimi nianze. Watu wamefika Kisii wamerudi na miguu, mimi bado nimelala. Iba na babangu alikuwa ananiambia nini nilikuwa napenda kulala, niambia wewe mtu anafika Kisii na miguu na arudi apate tu umelala.
All right, my dear, have a beautiful day.
You too.
See you soon. Care. Okay? See you soon.
All
right. Okay, bye.
You.
Bye. She has no clue. She has no clue. I've even told her, see you soon twice, but she's still not getting it. I've been trying to give her clothes since last night. Last night I said, what if I just show up and pick those clothes that you bought for me? And then she didn't get it. So right now I'm like, see you soon. She's like, okay. I can't wait to see her reaction. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. She's not picking any clue. She has no idea at all.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Harare International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the terminal parking and the seatbelt signs have been switched off.
That's what gentlemen do.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Oh.
How's Dee? Have you talked to her?
Not today, but she thinks we're coming to make a video.
Yeah, she told me at 2, but now it's already turned. You're not there. Maybe she'll get impatient.
Let me
I chatted with her. Let me keep quiet.
Let me call her.
Call her on loudspeaker. Tell her you're on the way.
Where is this from? Where's this one? Hello, D. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't finish anything. I'm exporting so you can come.
What videos are we making today? What kind of content are we making today?
$10 challenge.
Oh, the $10 challenge, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a bit delayed. I think I'll be half an hour. I'm 30 minutes away.
Okay, fine. You come when I'm really ready.
Okay, cool. Get ready. You're coming. Sure.
She has no idea. She has no idea. Oh my goodness.
That'll be fun, right? That'll be nice.
That's gonna be nice. Oh wow.
We go up to Tigers. Yeah. Okay, good. Come, let me go for the camera. So here they already have a plan, right?
Yeah.
She's in the office with her blessed to be a blessing. So you're gonna surprise her walking to the office. So let's go.
Oh, we walk into the office?
Yes.
Any bigs?
No bags.
No, we'll do it later.
Later on.
Okay. So we're going to go to the office?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's busy now.
She's busy.
Occupied.
You know, I was giving her clues.
come back to Kenya. I don't know when.
I told you to see you soon. I repeated, see you soon.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Oh, what a beautiful surprise.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful to meet you. Oh,
what are you going to film today?
Absolutely not a friend anymore.
It's going to tell me there's something today. Like,
Wow.
Mr. Tim also. Really?
Mr. Tim was like, I'm delaying 30 minutes, I'm coming.
Then I'm like, okay, I didn't even see this coming. I told you last night, remember when we were talking?
Yeah.
What did I tell you? What if I come?
So you thought you were the queen of surprises, you know?
Then I'm like, looking, wait. What are you expecting? I can still believe it. You know, she called me and we were talking and she was like, Dennis coming. We used to film me with that. So I thought it's just a normal, like, how we always do it. Also another one.
So excited. African Tigress and D in the house.
Yeah.
I never trust anyone.
Surprise.
From me. I told you see you soon. You didn't. No. I told you see you soon. You need to. I'm lagging. Like I'll never trust anybody like like people you think they can't even sell even a single thing. They end up selling you like really bad. David, he can tell me. Mr. Steve, we've been talking since yesterday.
Yeah.
She can tell me.
No, we knew for days. Eh?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Since last week, right?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah, since last week. Yeah, I've been talking with her.
And we were so tempted to.
It don't teach you for surprising me. So I also got involved in surprises.
And I can't even say anything, like completely
No, it's
quiet.
nothing.
She's telling me see you soon. I'm like, me, I don't even know I'll see you. Okay, see you soon. And I repeated it 2 times. Yeah, even she texted me. But I told you, you told me you bought some stuff for me. I told you, what if I come to Harare and pick them? Then I was like, she cannot come. I'm thinking like in the next 5 days, I'm like, she cannot even.
Guys, the 2 queens. I'm
so happy to see you again.
Wow.
Ulikuwa unafikiri
So
watoto yako
beautiful.
ndio surprises, eh?
Surprises.
They have got me 100% like off guard.
Yeah.
You see, I was even wearing my slippers. I was just in the house.
You're ready for the $10 challenge.
You thought you were the queen of surprises. Eh? You guys.
So when I called
Look
you,
at. They can't even tell me. Like I can't.
so I called you saying 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
We were filming the call.
Wow.
Yeah, we knew very well. She's
Yeah.
not aware.
Mr. Zem is a sniper.
That's when I saw you
That's a
posted
good
in a
one.
train. The reason I called is like she's leaving Harare and I'm coming tomorrow. That's what the reason I called is because I saw you posted that you're in a train. Like she's on a midnight train going like where? In a midnight train and I was going nowhere. Then I just explained to her, wait, it's just a video. We were just doing the video, then I was back. I think I was spilling everything.
So beautiful.
You were giving up your location.
Thank you for making this work.
Mr. Zem,
Yeah.
Thank you for making this
Ah,
work.
it's a pleasure.
I know, not you. I won't trust anybody apart from me.
what a beautiful reunion.
I'm so happy. Yeah, I didn't see this coming. Like at all. We had planned to go to Botswana,
nice
so
and cool,
since there was a lockdown, we were like, to hell with Botswana. We are not meeting anymore.
Okay.
Then she's like, I'm going back home. I'm like, I can't
This
go
was
home.
Providence,
I'm
huh?
going to Mozambique. So I was like, mixed up.
Beautiful.
Karibu.
So,
You are believing? I can't even believe.
oh, mic is on. Okay. Maybe you can move to the other side.
Sure.
Eh?
Sure.
Let's go to the other side.
Guys.
I got you good.
You guys, even you can't tell me.
Why?
You're just quiet and they all have my numbers.
Why would they tell you? Thank you.
This is where I'm always staying, eh?
It's nice. You said you'll be here for 10 days.
Yeah.
And I told you, Zim, you can never be sure. You'll be there and you'll love the place and you'd want to be longer.
I think it's because I met her.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to everybody. I'm going to leave a link to everybody's channel. Dimwango, Blessed to be a Blessing. Cooking with Demi.
Mr. Zim.
Oh, Mr. Zim is out there. Mr. Zim out there. All right. So thank you so much. And until next time, tuonana.
Cheers!
No.